Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health and happiness. Let's dive into today's video and explore powerful ways to improve our well-being. 5 unexpected uses for pumpkin seeds beyond snacking. Introduction. Did you know that pumpkin seeds are more than just a snack? From beauty secrets to DIY crafts and even unexpected culinary twists, these tiny powerhouses have some seriously surprising uses. Stick around as we reveal 5 weird but wonderful ways to use pumpkin seeds that you probably never knew. Number 1. Pumpkin Seed Powerhouse. Nutrition and benefits. Before we dive into these unexpected uses, let's talk about why pumpkin seeds deserve a spot in your life. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They boost immunity, improve sleep, and support heart health all in one tiny package. But wait, beyond being a superfood, pumpkin seeds have some hidden talents that might just surprise you. Let's explore them. Number 2. Unleash your inner artist. Pumpkin seed crafts. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can be transformed into beautiful works of art? Use them to create gorgeous mosaics on picture frames or vases. Just paint them in vibrant colors and glue them onto any surface. Make your own pumpkin seed jewelry, yes, really. Thread polished seeds into unique bracelets, earrings, or necklaces for an earthy, natural look. With the rise of eco-friendly crafts, these DIY projects are both sustainable and stunning. Would you try a pumpkin seed craft? Let us know in the comments. Number 3. Pumpkin Seed Beauty Boost. DIY skincare and hair care. Pumpkin seed oil is a game changer for beauty. It's rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it perfect for glowing skin and healthy hair. Try this easy DIY pumpkin seed oil face mask. Mix pumpkin seed oil, honey, and turmeric. Apply. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse for radiant skin. For hair, massage pumpkin seed oil into your scalp to help reduce hair fall and boost shine. Nature's beauty secret straight from a pumpkin. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds in the kitchen. Unexpected flavors. Think pumpkin seeds are just for snacking? Think again. Sprinkle them on salads for a satisfying crunch. Blend them into pesto for a nut-free alternative to classic basil pesto. Roast them with spices like cinnamon and maple syrup for a delicious topping on yogurt or oatmeal. Even better, make pumpkin seed butter. Just blend roasted seeds with a little coconut oil for a creamy, nutritious spread. Delicious, healthy, and packed with protein. Who knew? Number 5. Pumpkin seed sustainability. The eco-friendly superfood. Pumpkin seeds aren't just good for you, they're good for the planet. They have a low environmental footprint compared to other protein sources like meat. Supporting local farmers who grow pumpkins helps sustain small businesses and eco-friendly farming. Every time you use pumpkin seeds creatively, you're reducing food waste and making eco-conscious choices. So why not start today? Conclusion. Now that you know the 5 weirdest and most amazing pumpkin seed uses, which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support matters. You can also appreciate our work by clicking the join or thanks button below with a small token of support. Remember, your health is in your hands. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Take care of your body, nurture it with love, and allow it to heal naturally. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before trying any remedies or lifestyle changes discussed in this video. Your health and safety are our priority.